Welcome! Today I'm launching a brand new course in ambient music production. In the background you can hear a demo and some of the sounds that we'll create during the course. And since it's my birthday, I'm launching the course in discounted early access price for 29 euros. The course is a great starter if you want to learn how to make intricate soundscapes, the concepts behind the sounds, and also some ambient music theory. In the course we're using Logic Pro DAW, but fear not, there is a Bitwig Studio version in the works, and it will be launching as early access as soon as I have some of the episodes cut. Right, so if you're anything into ambient music, get ready to level up your skills in my ambient music production course. Learn more about the course at store.monidiomedia.com. Yeah, hope to see you in the course. Bye.